Hi, welcome to Easy Thai Dish by Manie channel. It's kind of a little cold here, so I kind of feel like soup, something like hot today. And I feel like I should do low carb diet. I think, is it low carb? Yeah, it is supposed to be low carb. So I'm gonna make soup today. So silver noodle soup with ground pork and egg tofu. So let's do it. Let me put an apron. I got a new one.
Kids love this. It is a comfort food. Great low carb diet. Ground pork, vegetable oil, sesame oil, thin soy sauce, oyster sauce. Don't forget to put some ground pepper. You can use white pepper or black pepper. I always mince lots of garlic ahead of time so you don't have to do it every time, so save a lot of time. I don't have chicken stock, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit, which I always do, by adding some chicken powder. Because I don't have time to make broth, doing this will save my time. Thin soy sauce, sugar, take out the fat as much as possible. I use egg tofu. You can use any kinds of tofu. Soak silver noodles in water until soft. Then put them in the soup. If you have chicken stock or you have time to make chicken stock, go ahead and do it. You don't have to use chicken powder. Green onions. It's done. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching.